18th question. Two copper wires X and Y are connected in series. There is one copper wire here, other copper wire here. The diameter of the wire is double that of X. That's why I written this one here like this. This is the diameter of Y. This is Y. This is X over here. This is it says the diameter of Y is 2 times diameter of X. Which means the Y is more thicker than X. The drift speed in X is V. Here it is V. Here it is V. While the drift speed is V, this one is what? What is this value here? Vy is equal to what? We know that if they are connected in series, the same current should flow here. Same current, right? So therefore, in the first case, this should be I is equal to NEA V. Okay. In the second case, also same current should flow. Which means that this should be NEA. What is A here? A in the first case is nothing but pi r square by 2. If D is the diameter, r should be its radius, right? So I can now write Ry equal to 2 times Rx. So I can now write pi r square Ry square into V. In the second, Rx square into V. For the first case, because it's in X. Now Ix I'll write here. For Iy, I should write Ne pi Ry square into what is the speed of the V? We do not know. Let us say V dash over here. But Ix is equal to Iy. So what I will do is, I don't have space, I'll write it over here. I'll write Ne pi Rx square into V should be equal to Ne pi Ry square into V dash. Now what all can I cancel? Ne pi goes away. Ne pi goes away. Okay, now we know Ry equal to 2 times Rx. So I will just write Rx square is equal to Ry square equal to what? 2 times Rx means it should be 4 times Rx square multiplied by V dash, right? Rx square goes away. So V dash should be equal to V by 4, right? So we have V here. So V by 4, thus the answer should be V by 4. Okay, let us move on to the next question.